If you're paying $50 an hour for voiceover, watch this. PixelAPI Text-to-Speech in 2 minutes. Audiobook narrators, YouTube creators, e-learning teachers, small business phone systems. Anyone who needs human-sounding voice without paying a human every time. Open pixelapi.dev, sign in with your email or Google account, and click the text-to-speech tool in the sidebar. Use Case 1, Audiobook narration. I'll paste the opening of a Sherlock Holmes story and design the voice as a warm, elderly British storyteller. Then hit Generate Speech. While it generates, here's the trick. Voice design takes a short text description and synthesizes a voice that fits. No upload needed. First call loads the model, then it's nearly instant. Use Case 2. YouTube voiceover. Same panel, different voice description. Confident, energetic American creator, mid-20s. Paste your script, hit generate. Now the magic. Voice cloning. Upload 10 seconds of any voice. Yours, an actor you've licensed, anyone. Paste new text. Generate. That's the same voice saying something it never said. 100 credits per minute, no monthly subscription. Use Case 4. Phone greetings in 23 languages. Switch language to Hindi. Paste your IVR menu text. Generate. Sounds like a hired voice actor at 1/10 the cost. Web is great for one-off jobs. For production, you want the API. Let's open the IDE and write the same call in 20 lines of Python. Set your API key from the dashboard. Post to /v1/tts/generate. Pass text and voice description as form fields. You get back a job ID. Poll the status endpoint until completed. Download the WAV. That's it. 50 credits per minute for voice design. 100 for cloning. 1/10 what ElevenLabs charges. 100 free credits when you sign up. No credit card required. PixelAPI.dev. Stop paying for voice. Start creating. Link in description.